Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you guys my outfit for Valentine's Day. For anyone who celebrated Valentine's Day, I hope you guys had a very happy Valentine's Day. This was actually kind of exciting because it was my first legit Valentine's Day. So I wanted to have a little bit of fun with it. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit as well as a little preparation of what I did to surprise Ashley. I didn't actually get him in the video because he came home late from work, so I wasn't able to film, but he will definitely be in videos soon. As for my Valentine's Day outfit, I have this leather jacket. I believe I got the leather jacket from boohoo.com a few years ago. I don't really remember, but I got the jacket, and then I'm just wearing this slip dress that I got from Urban Outfitters, I forget what it's called, but it's like an Urban Outfitters that has everything discounted. So this dress was like $10 and it was red, so I kind of just wanted to, wear it for the occasion. And for shoes, I have these shoes from Lola Shoutique, I believe. As for accessories, my favorite part, I'm literally obsessed. I just recently got this set from glamouraccessories.com. Ashley actually helped me pick out the set, so I wanted to wear it today. But it came with a watch and 2 earrings. I believe the set that I got was the ellipse set, and as you guys can see, I have a lot of piercings, and so I actually layered the earrings. I loved the earrings and the layering effects. Something that's also really cool is it's by the magazine Glamour. It is handpicked by the Glamour magazine, and they came together and made some amazing sets, so you guys should definitely check them out. Again, Ashley helped me pick this little set, so I just wanted to kind of wear it to show him. If you guys want to check out the Glamour accessories, I will definitely have it linked down below and all the information of the sets. So yeah, that's it for my outfit. And then for a special surprise, I decided to put together some red velvet cupcakes and just kind of wanted to surprise Ashley when he got home. I just kind of spent all day, I was making the cupcakes, and I even turned the frosting pink, and Valentine's pink, red, love, just cute. It's cute, it's cheesy, I don't care, I'm corny, it's fine. It was my first year for Valentine's Day, and it was really cute and I'm still really sad because I really wish I got him on camera. Again, like I said, he came home late, but when I opened the door, he had all these flowers and it just said I love you on it, and it was just really cute. And a really funny story, while I'm making the cupcakes, his phone was gonna die, so I had to Uber him because his Uber he couldn't use his phone and the phone was gonna die, so I had to quickly order him an Uber. And the Uber said that he was dropped off 40 minutes before he came upstairs. So I was actually low-key, I was freaking out. I thought he got kidnapped, but he actually ended up walking to the store and picked up flowers, and it was really cute. But it also gave me a heart attack because I was like, oh my god, where the heck is he? Because I got a message saying thank you for the Uber, and he didn't come home for an hour later, and I was like, what the heck happened to him? But yeah, it was really cute, and I'm excited to spend more Valentine's Days. I had a good day, and I hope you guys had a happy Valentine's Day. That's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!